Hello and welcome to Northeast Education Channel. In the program Know Your Exam, Northeast Education Channel powered by SS Career Solution gi special program we ne pudun lakchaba Know Your Exam nahak exam do khangmina je haiba topic si program si ngasi pudun lakchaba topic si CUET UG hojik class 12 thagraba chhatra sing handaki appear to give students sing hojik exam result ngai reba sing gi ano with stage amada chatnaba mogi higher education courses sing si tamna bagi damak karamba lambi da chatkini amasung karam haine chatkini haibagi marak sida leiriba kwai ki chawba thong bridge si common university entrance test haiba CUET exam sini haiba topic si mangni ko ngasi purga lakchari bje mase yam relevant oiba hojik leiriba mahiro singna yamna kanna khangingba karamba exam no mase exam je kamai thaga do no kamai ne prepare togani adugo magi technicalities na kari kari no haibana chung mayam loi khangning moduni madu mayam dugi information mayam dani mayam gi namuk notice education channel na pudun lakchari bje and CUET India ki oina entrance exam punamakta khwaidagi chawba largest entrance exam amani class 12 thagi students singda mahakna graduation tamna bigi damak India ki level central university apunba 46 plus state university sing amasung private university yauraga apunba university 250 university sing the changnaba amata ngairaba lambi habatane madugi entrance exam tuni common university entrance test habaje it has been conducted for the last 3 years habatare handaki chahi yauraga chahi ahum chugado ribani magi CUET conduct tawbaje aduga haiba CUET gi matangda ignorance habatare masi yam khangnadaba habatare manipuri mahiro singda pungoina khangnadaba gi masi gi reflection se CUET gi through the tamgodori baje ayambana ekoi gi government gi university amadi college ngakani aduga hojiki private college khara masu masidi incorporate tore aduga CUET gi entrance lobo sumai tawdana haiba CUET gi through the khaktang natana atopa lambi ama fawbogi through the central university singda like tamba yadre aduna haiba common university entrance test haiba platform si India gi national testing agency haiba ekogi agency sina conduct over exam amani haiba exam asida apunba mahiroi CUET gi form fill up si for the last 2 years it was very complicated yam lubuna maram orakanda CUET gi form men badaga lan badagi adu proper guidelines angang sing da phangda badagi CUET gi through the angang admission togi chang si yam tin name gi togudu handak CUET ji form je hana main bagi form application form je hojiki tangkhai ma pura kakdagre ko maroina courses selection university selection je lodogre hana masi it was very complicated at that point of time hojiki it become very simple and very easy tobuto boi khuna manipuri context ye momdam dadi hana Delhi University da natraga atopa central university da like tam chang je hainengai leitan handare haba ka haidar in a sharp decline madu proper statistics am kuin uduba taraga jo overall observation da kuin ubaji it has declined to not less than 90% of the student haidar hana central university yam maming level central university sing khada level top colleges sing da changam ba manipur student je even some toppers haidar whom I known to them personally moi phajana khangna ba ai cham topper khara faw student khara faw je CUET je thauda ba de have that private university sin admission tawe even rank 1 and rank 2 je manipur gi council over exam da rank first position second position ta student faw je CUET thauda ba de makoi je Delhi University ki top college sing adiga atopa top central university sing changwa phangda dana private university sing admission toba private college sing admission toba gi khudong chadaba mayam mai khuna thengnagi haba dai aduna charakpa CUET gi matang da magi facts and figures ka thamjage CUET si national testing agency na conduct of exam mani magi examination gi date si mayam na khwai ngai nari bani hojik form loin thajin gre ko form thajin bagi last date loigre even correction gi date loigre hojik students ji yam kanna prepare to bagi magi preparatory duration ne hojik lai baje si matam ji yam kanna honaraga aikoi hojik exam karam gan lakani adugi admit card karam gan tholak kadage have adugi mayam tang tin ngai na matam khakni exam ji me gi tang nipan dagi horga jun gi tang ama fawba 2025 ki masida chathaga da exam ni aduga masida apunba subject si aikoi gi language ta taraga humdoi 13 language subject lai aduga domain specific ta punna 23 ni aduga general aptitude test ke paper ama masi mayam da ai bhab ta hanjage ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯟꯗꯔꯁꯇꯦꯟ ꯇꯧꯍꯟꯒꯦ ꯂꯦꯡꯒ꯭ꯋꯦꯖꯁꯦ ꯍꯥꯟꯅ ꯁꯦꯛꯁꯟ 1 and ꯁꯦꯛꯁꯟ 2 ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯅ ꯈꯥꯏꯗꯣꯛꯑꯝꯃꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯤ ꯂꯦꯡꯒ꯭ꯋꯦꯖꯁꯦ ꯍꯥꯟꯅ ꯃꯃꯥꯡꯗ ꯌꯥꯎꯔꯝꯃꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯁꯦꯛꯁꯟ 2 ꯁꯤꯗ ꯌꯥꯎꯔꯝꯕ ꯂꯦꯡꯒ꯭ꯋꯦꯖꯁꯤ ꯄꯨꯟꯅ 20 ꯂꯦꯡꯒ꯭ꯋꯦꯖꯅꯤ ꯃꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯅꯨꯡꯗ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯤ ꯌꯥꯎꯔꯝꯃꯤ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯌꯥꯎꯗ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯂꯦꯡꯒ꯭ꯋꯦꯖꯁꯦ ꯏꯠꯁ ꯅꯣ ꯂꯣꯡꯒꯔ ꯑꯦꯟ ꯑꯣꯞꯁꯟ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦ CUETꯒꯤ ꯑꯦꯛꯖꯥꯝꯗ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯤ ꯂꯦꯡꯒ꯭ꯋꯦꯖꯁꯦ ꯑꯣꯞꯁꯟ ꯑꯃ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯀꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯅꯗꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯗ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦ ꯏꯠ ꯍꯦꯖ ꯔꯤꯃꯨꯚ ꯃꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯆꯃꯝꯅꯕꯗꯨꯃ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯗꯤ ꯂꯧꯊꯣꯛꯄꯤꯔꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯁꯦꯛꯁꯟ ꯑꯍꯨꯝꯅꯦ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕꯁꯦ ꯁꯦꯛꯁꯟ 1ꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯄꯨꯟꯕ ꯂꯦꯡꯒ꯭ꯋꯦꯖ 13 ꯂꯩꯒꯅꯤꯀꯣ 13 ꯂꯦꯡꯒ꯭ꯋꯦꯖ ꯃꯁꯤꯗ ꯂꯩꯗꯣꯏꯁꯤ ꯏꯪꯂꯤꯁ ꯍꯤꯟꯗꯤ ꯑꯁꯥꯃꯤꯁ ꯕꯦꯡꯒꯥꯂꯤ ꯒꯨꯖꯔꯥꯇꯤ ꯀꯟꯅꯗ ꯃꯂꯥꯌꯥꯂꯝ ꯃꯔꯥꯊꯤ उड़िया पंजाबी तमिल तेलुगु एंड उर्दू अदुना अखोई मणिपुरी स्टूडेंट सिंगना मसिदगी थाबा याबे जे जनरली हिंदी करिगुंबा प्रिफर तौदो तारगदि इट्स इंग्लिश सिम ओरनी को सो इंग्लिश इज कंपलसरी देना मैम लौबिरो अदुगी मथंगदा डोमेन स्पेसिफिक हाइबजे करिनो आइबसे अमतंग ज्ञान ताहनजगे डोमेन स्पेसिफिक हाइबजे अपुनबा डोमेन स्पेसिफिक की मोइनो पीरिबो ऑप्शनल सब्जेक्ट सी 23 नि हाइब डोमेन स्पेसिफिक सी क्लास 12 ता स्टूडेंट सिंगना तमखिबा हाइब दारे क्लास 12 ता मोइनो तमखिबा अदु ग्रेजुएशन दा मोइनो लौबा याबा तो सब्जेक्ट सिंग नि हाइबा डोमेन स्पेसिफिक ता यावरिबा सब्जेक्ट सिंग जे मयामगी नुवाइनबा आई पाथोकसगे physics chemistry biology mathematics computer science home science agriculture geography or geology environmental studies anthropology sociology psychology political science history economics accountancy business studies mass communication fine arts performing arts sanskrit physical education or NCC or yoga knowledge traditional practice in India haiba apunba 23 domain specific lay aduga aroibada general aptitude test aduga student amana thaba yabaje punna subject manga thaba yai haba tar all together masagi general test yaurkanda adigi domain specific yaurkanda and plus language yaurkanda punna 5 subjects se student amana exam se thaba yai masigi matakdi henba yadre aduna chahi khudingi magi examination gi guidelines se dum change tawi adigi satra amana masigi exam se thanabgi damak ikogi magi syllabus haiba tare magi syllabus se for domain subject की ओइनदी NCERT syllabus निको अदुगो माने syllabus ओइनसु CUET की मागी website दम फंगनी अदुगा NCERT है हारगदी it becomes very simple हाइ तारे मैम दो understand तो याबा पोनम को ओइ अदुगी मतुंगदा मागी choice of test paper से student नमना आइना हाना हाइजगरे अपुन subject मा including general test अमसुंग language और कान खन बे याई अदुगा मागी marking scheme से for every question it carries 5 marks ko question amamna mark manga pigani aduga ma negative marking lay if any student commit mistake ha tare mana wrong answer pi taragadi do give for every incorrect answer negative 1 mark legani ko kayumba achumba pakhumam pi ba taragana mark manga phangani for one question aduga aranba incorrect oiba answer ma pi taragadi 1 mark deduct togani ko mode of exam se computer based test ni CBT हायरगा मैम खंगनबदो कंप्यूटर अमा एगी मांगदा थमकान मदुदा पिगदबा टेस्ट ओइदोइनी अदुगा पेपर खुदिंगमकी फॉर हानदी खेनरमी 35 क्वेश्चन न सेंबा 40 न सेंबा 45 न सेंबा स्माइल लेरमी दुबो सिनी मैम द चमनबा हानगी ममांगी मॉडल दुगा हंदकी मॉडल गम चावना खेनरदोइनी को अदुना हजुजकी ओइनदी फॉर एवरी पेपर खुदिंगमकी अपुनबो क्वेश्चन से 50 क्वेश्चन लाकनी को अदुगो मागी ड्यूरेशन 60 मिनट्स ओइगनी मागी ड्यूरेशन फॉर इस पेपर माने एग्जाम जिगी सब्जेक्ट अमा थाब मतमदा 60 मिनट्स इज द टाइम ड्यूरेशन इज द टाइम लिमिट अदुगा अपुनबो क्वेश्चन माने अटेम्प्ट तोगदोबसिना 50 क्वेश्चन ओइगनी को अदुगा मागी सेफ्टी चेंज तोरनी फ्रॉम 8 मे दगिना जून गी तांग अमा फौबसिदा 8 मे दगिना जून गी तांग अमा फौबसिदा तोंगान तोंगान मागी शिफ्ट लेगनी अदुदा एग्जाम पीगनी को अदुगा हजरजकी ओइना आइना खंगहन जनिंगबजिना करी करी अहेन इन्फॉर्मेशन सिंग नो हाबदुना इन मैम द थमजनिंगबजे अइकोना सब्जेक्ट से चूज तोबो मतमदा हजिक स्टूडेंट खरदी आइना थांगुदर वफम खरसिदा आई सुवेग्र मानेना खनंगा ने बौजि खाइब स्टूडेंट प्रोग्राम जी यंगबिरिब स्टूडेंट खरदी अइको CUET UG undergraduate को इन गाइडलाइंस अमा तोंगा लई को मागी गाइड बुक अमा फोंगी CUET NTA ना अदुगा यूनिवर्सिटी खुदिंग की ओइना मागी गाइडलाइंस तोंगा ले हेतारे फॉर जामिया की JNU की दिल्ली यूनिवर्सिटी की हैदराबाद यूनिवर्सिटी की पुणे यूनिवर्सिटी की फॉर एवरी सिंगल यूनिवर्सिटी दे हैव अ डिफरेंट गाइडलाइंस फॉर UG एडमिशन aduga CUT gi oina su tongana guidelines ama lay sometimes guidelines si gi marak ta confusion me ama chatle ba khwai gi chaw confusion si kaino hai matam da CUT gi oina di NTA na pidi ba guidelines si da mahak na NTA gi website si da mayek sing na palli ba si ekhogi candidate choose up to maximum 5 subjects, including the language and general aptitude tests, irrespective of the subject opted in class 12. Class 12 ta mana tamjakiba subject singdo adugi du tamkiba natragana tamkidaba adu irrespective of that mana khaningba domain subject am khanbe yai ko sina NTA na piba guidelines ne. Whereas nasagi student singsina, to be very frank and honest, aikoina understand tawgado baji kaino haikanda undergraduate ki courses singsi tamge hai taragadi ayamba university singidi magi constituent college amumung ko we mama sagi for example jamia gi there's only one college. For JNU there's only one college. So mind tawdana ayamba university singsi magi college amung ko lay. But for Delhi University gi apunba there are around 77 ko in particular 77 colleges lay Delhi University ki makhada lay constituent college ko masi manung the India ki top college ni hai St. Stephen, Miranda House, Lady Sriram College of Commerce, Hansras Hindu College ma'am lo yaw ko doine ko aduga aina piri basidi magi ranking du nate ko chap saber ranking du the NIRF haidana Ministry of Education hana haisade ministry haram baza sigi website ta phangani ko adu Ministry of Education ni makhada NIRF ana lay National Institution Framework Ranking ana sigi sida Government of India na laiba university mayam aduga college mayam je adigi then for medical college hairo architecture gi hairo law gi hairo dental gi hairo for every stream mayam zigi oina top institution makai gi ranking pi ko aduda prefer to biro mayam na aduga aina haje hairo ranking du magi proper order of ranking na te ko but hairo university mayam hai tare hairo college mayam sina these are the top college and top university no doubt natra aduga sumai lai duni aduna magi guidelines ji tongan tongan level guidelines si tongale adu Delhi University da angang gi na kai gama tamgi hai taragadi hoji noina meng ge form du chumni la le je hoji khangani ko for any student who is applying for hoji ti apply to ba haidana hana lai khidrabani na ko who intend to apply ko ma Delhi University ki college sing de apply to ge hai taragadi mana igeda exams hai magi domain subject sing se sigi exam sing se domain subject mana khali for general test and language is different, but the domain subject specifically for 3 domain subject mana khandoi je sidi class 12 to mana tamba subject oigedau ne. For example, if I am coming from science stream, I science stream dai lakpane ba, but I St. Stephen College sa I political science tamningi natragani history tamningi adu ai science dai lakpani I social science sa toini adu itaragadi ai kai subject logo dage have the confusion ama leidana. But if nangna karigumba Delhi University college sing tamge hai taragadi nangna opted to godo was nangna class 12 ta tamkiba physics chemistry bio dune. If I opted physics chemistry and biology in my class 12 examination ai class 12 examination adu opted to hitaragadi ai class 12 ta tamakpa subject to adu da ai CUT sit hagado neba and adu phangko mark to gi basis ta nangje history tambe yagani political science tambe yagani nang tamningba case aduna we have to be very clear about this thing ko adu sigi clarity si lege dong neba the NTA the CUT ki guidelines study irrespective of the subject you opted in class 12 na haire nang class 12 ta tamningba subject tamjanu nang khaningba subject khanbe ya haire. Whereas in Delhi University ko inadi kari haire nang class 12 ta tamko subject tu khatam opted to godo buni haire adu itaragadi ekhoina Delhi University ta tamgo ge hai taragadi Delhi University ne ba ekhoina khwaidi yam changi je me hamse maramni mangon college 77 college lay ko most of them magi considering college ni adu mangon affiliate to college khara ma yauri ko adu main to dana Delhi University apun college da tamningba mairoi makhai du di ke dorni ha kanda definitely class 12 ta tamkiba subject to khallane ba aina pol science tamgodobuni aduna ai pol science thagadobuni habi wa hodna thadok piro ko aduma adugi clarity duma ikoi laiminarase aduga aikoina mapungoina khangadabase aikoi syllabus se haju ma preparation kamai to godage have duni ko preparation ji haju ki oina class 12 appear to go student sing di we don't have much time matam ji am laitre ko adu matam yam laitre aduga preparation yam tawba changi aduga class 12 ta nangna phangadoiba mark to nangna council na tragana CBSE da nangna phangadoiba mark to adugi basis ta hana Delhi University se cut off piraga hana admission to we are meba hojikti nangna class 12 ta phangadoiba mark to na nang any college amda like tam ge have upai kaim leitre ko even if you become the topper ko nang position number 1 position number 2 position number 3 oira fawda entire manipur gi natragan in any state amagi oy matamda nangna high university de changbagi oithokpa leitre unless through CUET ko nang kariguma CUET exam se nang thadragadi atopa lambi ama phau leite adun CUET is very important aduna manipur gi satra sing hana Delhi University da we have the highest number Delhi University da tamba satra je north east level state mayam dagi even compare with Assam Manipur da quite masing hele ko not just in Delhi University at the university mayam da so adu hojikti yam sharp decline ama leba kariguna ha kana CUET exam se thadabadagi aduga thaba matam da chumna thawdo haitare for many students ko I have come across many students moina subject ani khaka tharamba ama khaka tharamba I post science tam doini adum post science khaka tharamba I sociology tam doini ga sociology khaka tharamba yam lali ko for Delhi University gi nang at least language subject ama aduga domain subject ahum khanga do buneba aduna ne aina ngasai hairize sigi exam simadi yamna phajana mamutana khangba aduga afaba counselor magi manakta chalaga counseling lobo change se exam de thage hetaragadi aduna nang jamia de apply to ge hero nataga nang JNU de apply to ge hero adu itaragadi JNU gi my guidelines am legeni jamia guidelines am legeni adu su study to bom change be kono ko we need to study the guidelines for each and every university at the same time we need to understand the guidelines of CUET also aduna masi mun khangmina bam change ba adu hojikti matam je leitre adu leite basi da students sing the hining je and say ham the higher it is the largest entrance exam in India sidagi hena chawba entrance exam bo leite ko India da satra masing khwaidagi yamna number of students khwaidagi yamna masing yamna thaba entrance exam ji exam chini so the competition is very tough competition automatic tough oi ko 12 colleges sing cha ina admission phangna bo hona matam da moi cut off si percentile ji am wangna chakrane am wangna chakrane aduna kamai toge hekanda in 1 mark ki differences sida in terms of thousands student legene ko mark amaje aduna kitang kan hona taragadi aina mark amagi point amagi adugi importance yam leibani na students sing yam kan hona ningi noina class 12 to phangdoi ba class 12 ke exam the council or CBSE da I am not undermining it but it's to be very honest nang na madu phangdoi mark to it's very important but adugi duna nangi admission that it's not going to serve for any purpose kari ta kanar roi badu me am tandi adugi nang certificate marks to puraga nang admission tawjage haba kanda higher central university ama bodu nonda adugi approval pir oi ba ko adubu nang na CUET sida nang mark fajana phang taragadi even if nang na class 2 ke exam sida fajana to hodraba adu erga still you have an opportunity ko aduga nangoda achauba chance amadi nangoda leiri ba aduna all India level exam ni aduga yam fear of exam ni higher exam si fajana prepare to rakanda di India ke top colleges in top university sing changbe ai aduga nang top colleges amadi university sing tang changbai kana baji kaino haiba matamda ozadi loi fatoi ko college ma'am loi fatoi but the environment magi academic environment sine it's very important nangi akoi be famina ga do nangi marok mapang mayam nangi interaction among your friends nangi hanagi lerame be seniors sing don thambir me nangi legacy mayam adu mayam nang inherit tongna bahon rakani nangi mafam don lebe environment academic atmosphere se yam strong oi taragadi madu the quality of imag interaction ki quality mayam adu nangi friend circle mayam du ki dreams mayam mo ki aspiration mayam lerang ngane ko adi I UPSC tharaga I civil servant oigani haiba group ama lerang ngani then I foreign university sing the chalaga then Ivy League university the chalaga I apply to ngani khanba ni mayam lerang ngani ko ada I want to become a top journalist ko I want to become a politician ga haiba me I want to become a writer ga haiba adi achau chau aspiration mayam ama dreams mayam ama khanba nangi friend circle mayam leigane ko adugi interaction do that's very important aduna mayam na top colleges na university chatnari je kai no ha kanda we are all going to buy our aspiration and dreams adugi influence am leigane ai interaction tawagi loina bagi adu mayam do ai gi mamang da leme be senior mayam gi legacy mayam ko adu mayam do leidoine ba adu mayam do inherit tor ka doini aduna it's very important aduga madu do phangado be exposure is it's a different thing masi noi mayam na expect to do point khagna ni ko in hairize aduna nangna madu phangado be exposure adugim tik wang adoini ko adagi then mapan dagi lakado banangi seminars adagi programs mayam ma adi academic program mayam sin doini adugi academic program mayam du nangna phangada ba knowledge and wisdom mayam ma adagi then nangi college ki event mayam legani ko adu is very important for you adu mayam du yam maru oi adagi India gi different cultures mayam ama adagi different region dagi live mi mayam du gi exchange tongna ba adu gi exposure mayam ko adu mayam du ngon the build up tor ko confidence nang ma du tal ko knowledge is a different thing adu mayam du ni adu India gi future ga hari ba mayam je adu gi future leaders mayam du ni ba ma du thol ka dois high top college top university sing ji aduna high America dadi natragana even in some western countries dadi si elite circles ida yahuna ba adagi elite schools mayam elite college mayam sida sang na ba magi lobby tactics ka mayam lay ba ko but ai khoi gi dadi madu ye leitraga ju mani India da ju mayam lay ko schools mayam lay India schools dun school gana mayam lay ko si mayam si changhong na ba ko long na ba mama pa yam powerful over mayam si loi honari ni masa sing si adu mai to na si da so khoi ni yeng ai si atai na te magi academic atmosphere ji yam strong oi ba adu ma academic atmosphere da ai exposure phang ho du yam ro oi ba ko aduna it's very important aduga hauju class 12 ta me ba satra sing ai hygienic buze hayeng at the end of your class 12 nang class 12 se lower matung na nang biggest decision in your life se kari no hai ba matam da ai 12 se lower matung da kari to ba da ge ha ba me maru oi ba ko aduda ai medical tam ge ha ga di nit tharani ko ai engineering tam ge ha ga di g tharani ai nursing tam ge ha ga di nursing exam sing thagani sumai to ai law tam ge ha ga di kamal law admission test clear thagani sumai to for every specific professional courses ma'am tambagi magi exam lai doine ba but 90% more than 90% of the students say they will go for general natra general education general higher education chattoine ba adu chakke hara agade aina BA natra BA se tamge haba matamda na CUT gi makha da vocational subject ma'am lai ko professional jo aduna CUT si ma'am na muka professional di yaudro ba haba question ama lakani CUT da ngasai general te side na subject ma yauri je masiki general test tharaga tambai aba professional courses mayam lay ko vocational gi courses mayam lay chi free da ngani ko tamdoi je adagi then magi legal studies tambai ai architecture tambai ai si mayam loina hoji magi courses sing da yaur abane hoji sing for a certain specific university ko university khara gi oina di aduna class hayeng aikoina class 12 ji lower matung da aina thagadoi ba board natra council exam da phangadoi ba mark tu na di admission to ba yaroi da bani na ai gi biggest decision je ai karam ba college ta tamgade ge karam ba university ta tamgade ge sineba and for every student and for every parents definitely quite gi phaba college am the university sing da tamba pam doi neba and the lucky part is that high CUT gi through the tamdoi ba central university sing city government gi university ngak taneba ada like tamba am expensive oi roi ko ada pesa yam chang di hetar aduna haiba matam ji chang ho ge hetar ga de khoina hauju class 12 tammi ba satra sing de hauju te ge hona preparation to bom change hauju de hona nang preparation to tar ga de for especially for other state moi di class 11 hek karak pa hoba de CUT preparation to weba ko man especially English adu general test hai jam tonga le ai khoin tammi ji ga otherwise atai di NCERT syllabus ni adum iman manai adu CUT gi specific oina magi question model mayam si da apply to ga practice to yam roi and class 12 hoju tammi satra singi it is high time for you to understand what is CUT and the CUT gi guidelines you need to go through it aduga hayeng tharna is phajana ekoi gi pabi bam changi aduga afaba counselor singi manakta changba changi aduga CUT je hoju te gi huna prepare to bam yare ba ekoina class 12 ki foundation je hobaga yuina na haba dare CUT gi foundation jo hobam changi ba adoi taraga di mayamna yamna pamnariba aikoi yam dream amam oinariba aikoi St Stephen College ka hariba Hansras ka hariba Hindu College ka hariba Kerumal College ka hariba Jamia Millia Islamia JNU ka hariba ko AMU ka hariba Hyderabad University Pune University ka hariba mayam adigi for girls ko Ledishram then aikoi Dalaram College one of the top college Miranda College ka hariba Miranda House ka hariba mayam se sida changma ji yam kana lu deba nang phajana prepare to ragadi aduna high phajana prepare to ba kana hona ragadi high top college top university sing je changba si yam lu de aduga noina karam na top college no ka university no je adom da khan ge ha tar ragadi ai another segi topic sida so ai laksage ko ada NIF ranking de refer to you aduga ai if I miss any college and university please don't mind aduga maram di madu randomly ha given in ko aduga I hire the not in order of magi ranking junate aduga magi NIF ranking je normal topic am oina pura laksage and for today aina mayam hygienic baje for class parents sing the class 10 hek loi badagi ai sa je St Stephen College tam nge haraga di ai je Lady Shram tam nge Miranda House tam nge ai Hansras tam nge Hindu College tam nge haraga di you have a wonderful opportunity karino ha kanda class 10 je loi baga adugi preparation je hobu yare ati mana class 12 ta position lower ga jo I'm not undermining a position holder ko adugi duna kai gumba mana afaba college am university am tamang ngomodra ga di kana gi mangjabano mai mangjabani duna ko ado with a proper guidance aduga with the right information in the right time matam chana high information sin lehau ta ra ga di yam line mayam na top university top college ni haibaza masida changba ya habani ko aduga ai mayam da haitare if you want to know more about CUET gi matang de hena khangbining lai ta ra ga di adum aingonda contact tobiro aduna ai office ki number ngu tai mayam da pijage aduga adum mayam appointment check tobiro pa yagani mayam da haijage 9366133430 amuga haijage 9366133430 sida contact tobiraga adum CUET gi matang da any khangning ba leraga di ai mateng pangjage aduga maru ina class 12 tam students sing 11 tam students sing CUET gi hojik hono hono ba yare aduga ai manipur dagi india gi top college mayam je ai masing yam tamba yabagi haba tare hogiba ai gi ahlaman mayam ona famjida yam tamgibagi madugi legacy do ai su inherit toba amuka henazu accept toba ngambagi tanja do longmina je aduga manipur gi achong dreams am hai tare adugumba mayam semkot minaji haba jeni and wishing you all the best for those students who are appearing for the CUET UG exam 2025 and wishing you all the best. Thank you very much.
Welcome to Uttaranchal University, where dreams take flight and futures are shaped. Here, knowledge meets innovation and curiosity fuels discovery. Our commitment to excellence and cutting-edge research sets us apart, preparing our students to lead in a rapidly evolving world. But it's not just about academics. At Uttaranchal University, we believe in nurturing well-rounded individuals. Our supportive faculty and personalized mentorship ensure every student's success.
Join us where opportunities abound and dreams become realities. Enroll now.
Step into the realm of Assam Downtown University, where we encourage success, experience the pinnacle of academic excellence, and live your best days.
Uzbekistan ki Fargana city dani Hyper city sida leiba government ki medical college amani Fargana Institute of Public Health Hyper college ki magi main campus ni sina taba tongan ba campus mayam amasu leiri haba tare magi hospitals mayam ama lei adu magi sigi main campus se mayam meeting taminaji masi government college ni more than 1000 student office de like tami adu ko manipur ki oina batch ani haba tare ahan ba batch ani koi Fargana Institute of Public Health leire first year student amadi second year student mayam ama masi ki tongan tongan hostel singa leiraga mahiru ke ama like tami manung sida kai ke features amadi opportunity leira sigi classroom ki box sida mogi higher students ma kai have their class 5th year ki 4th year ki students ma kai sida ma class over
Madam, weather se nungai bu natro?
Ha?
Weather se?
Samthi nungai weather se. Nungai. Mama này tare makai ni pa makai buka chalo kan daga thara kudan dai सब pai bu pa bi. With the young minds them. Jadi try pana hai basi.
TV ki manung da kwai ki fa jama mafam khara khangat pada world ki
iconic amadi historical traveler mo ikiba Ibn Battuta ma travels of Ibn Battuta the magnificent city of the world hairamba Samarkand have city to the hojik si yam ingi -2 degrees Celsius ni hojo equally base the mafam sina yamna muka historic oiba yam significant oidesina kaino hakanda Central Asia gi khwaidagi ihan hana likhatkiba medical university adugi mamangta da koi lebsari base ma'am interview Samarkand State Medical University
Samarkand Institute.
Sí, muy handwritten.
Sengi kai irambase, mutasi lagi. Dari iram.
Manungi infrastructure su yang pai. Ada magi syllabus se Medical Council of India ka su yang institution na bahai tare ko. Community medicine jaga na work karoga.
Net Prakash, where from? Basically from India was part of it. Uttar Pradesh. So, do you know Manipur? Oh, yes.